Hi guys, it's me, ErRenee, and today I'm going to be reviewing a first box of this kind. I just subscribed to this box this month, and I think you will recognize it when you see it. It is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Check out that box. It is big. So I'm excited about this because it's my first box from IPSY, and I can't wait to find out how they did this month. So let's just first off, start by giving you a review of the box itself. When I got it in the mail, it was basically destroyed by the postal service. And I understand that because this is December and there's a lot of boxes going through the mail right now, but seriously, like, I was scared for a second that some of my products had fallen out of this box because it had a great big gaping hole in it when I found it in the mailbox. So hopefully everything is okay in here and it's not too damaged. I'm excited to find out what this bag looks like because it is the Glam Plus bag, and I don't like sample size products, which is why I went for the Glam Plus. This is how it came. It says discover yourself. And it's got some orange foam, which really didn't keep things together in here. But moving on, yeah, the box is basically destroyed, so I won't be getting any use out of that later. So I bought it on Black Friday. It is December, so I purchased this in November. I was able to pick out my products, and I'm just going to start off. Sorry, that foam is like flying back at me. I'm going to start off by showing you the add-ons I picked. Get those out of the way. They ran a special buy 2 add-ons, get 1 free. So I picked out 2 and I got 1 for free. The 2 I picked out were the AVON True Color eyeliners. And these are in some shimmery shades. One looks like it's kind of gold, the other one more bronzy. And I picked these because I don't have any glimmer eyeliners yet, and I think I'd like to play with those and try it out. Some of the looks are really Christmassy with gold eyeliners. A lot of girls are doing them, so I'm going to experiment with that and see what I think. But I know Avon is a good company, and I picked them out because you can't buy Avon without going through a rep. So I was glad that they had Avon products on there as an add-on, and they were only $3 a piece as an add-on, and they retail for $9. So I got 2, and then that was only $6 that I was charged, and then I got a free add-on, and I'll show you my free add-on. This is the all over highlight brush. And I picked that for free because the product that I picked for my Glam Bag Plus box is the same company, Complex Culture, and I got the bronzer brush. So I thought I'd get a set. And so I basically got this one for free when I bought the eyeliners. It's a kit for me. So now I have a highlighter brush and a bronzer brush. And I'm excited about that. So far, so good, IPSY. I'm thinking I like this box, but you got to be careful with those add-ons because that's where they get you. So here's the highlighter brush, and I picked it because I don't have a highlighter brush. Right now I am, oh, it's a little bit crazy looking there with the hairs all going different directions. Girl, we need to fix your frizz. Anyway, I've been putting on my highlighter with my finger, and it kind of gets a little too much at a time. So I thought I needed to get a brush to do the same thing, maybe use more highlighter in my routine. So I got that. That's why I picked that. And same thing with the bronzer brush. I use a blush brush right now for my bronzer. So adding to my collection, trying to get my stuff together, girls. This is a lot bigger brush than I thought it would be, but the fibers are really smooth and soft. And it's a nice shape for bronzer. I like the oval. I'm excited to try it. I think it'll give me better coverage than the blush brush I've been using for bronzer. Kind of getting my beauty thing together here. You guys can help me out in the comments, but those are the Complex Culture brushes, and I like them. I think they're pretty, and the fibers are super soft, so I'm glad I got those, and I think it's cute that it's a set. Fun stuff. So buy two, get one free. Those were my add-ons, and then this is the brush that I picked for my bag. Now, moving on to the bag, what they picked for me based on my profile with IPSY. We'll see if it matches up with any of you guys' bags. Let me see if this is the card. It is! So they do give you a card telling you how much this stuff costs. So the brush says it has a retail value of 35 bucks, which is pretty awesome. It's so soft, I just keep petting my face with it. Anyway, moving on, I grabbed the serum next. This says it is a $68 serum. It is from Evolve Skincare, and it says it's a tall glass of water for your thirsty skin. It contains molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, which is great for those fine lines and giving your skin some more youth look to it. I don't know, make you look less old. It says add after cleaning, of course, use twice a day if you want. It also has citrus extract, sodium benzoate, and potassium sorbate. So it recommends you to put it in your fridge. If you have a beauty fridge, you could do that. Hydrates your skin for a dewy glow, plumps up fine lines and wrinkles, and minimize their appearance. So that's pretty nice. I can't believe it's 68 bucks for the serum. Whoa! I just dropped that out of my hands. There's stuff on it too. It's 1 fluid ounce. 68 bucks for 1 fluid ounce of serum. So hopefully it works. Hopefully it's worth that price. Of course, I didn't pay that price. I paid the $25 for this box. I did not get it for my review. I spent my own money on these. Just so you know. Okay, this is the next thing in the box that is skincare. This is valued at $200. 111 Skincare. Oh my gosh. This lightweight hydrating moisturizer from Science Backed Beauty brand 111 Skin does it all. Gel texture, instantly smooth skin, while ultra filling spears smooth the look of fine lines and uneven skin texture. A filter for your face. So in other words, it photoshops your face for you in here, and it is worth 200 bucks. But I did not pay $200 for that, so yay! I think I'm going to like this. I already like the bottle. I've already subscribed to this brand on their website. They send me coupons all the time. And if they're going to charge 200 bucks for their product, they better send you a coupon. And this is kind of all over the rim of the bottle, so I'm going to test it out on my hand without opening it up. It's got a very citrusy, floral, clean, fresh scent. Oh my gosh. It's got a lot of perfume in there. A little more than I'd like, but it does smell very clean, very fresh, a little bit citrusy, a little bit floral, but it does go on really smooth. A super smooth texture to that moisturizer. Oh, maybe I do like that smell. Because I can't quit smelling it. Okay. That's a nice product. So far, so good. I'm loving my IPSY box. Wow, 200 bucks though. I had no idea that was worth that much. All right, so I'm gonna be super gentle with that. Put that right over there. The next thing in my box is some more makeup. I got the ILLAMASQUA. I'm not sure how to say that. I'm probably saying it wrong. ILLAMASQUA. I don't know. This is a liquid eyeliner. It's valued at $22 and it's black. So it says it's 100% budge proof and you don't need to worry about it running or smearing during the day. So another black eyeliner. I have a lot of these already, so I'm not going to open it up. If I could figure out how to open it up. The packaging is really pretty. It's really sleek. But I'm not going to test it out yet because I do have a lot of black eyeliner. And looking forward to my next boxes, I might change that on my profile and say, I don't need no more eyeliner. I have a lot of eyeliner already. So I might keep that in mind for the next time. I hope they don't send me too much eyeliner. But the next thing in the box is a ITTSÉ Van Ness eyeshadow quad. And this palette I'm not super thrilled about because I personally don't buy magnetic palettes. I don't trust that the eyeshadow quads are going to stay magnetized to the palette, but we'll look at it and see. It's kind of got a rose metallic leather-esque pouch. It says ITTSÉ, and I know this is a metallic palette, but the colors are pretty. Okay, I'm kind of digging these colors. They would look good on my skin tone. Personally, I use a lot of browns, I use a lot of purples, and these are just right. I'm not sure about that nude color in the bottom. It might be a little bit too yellow for me, but we only got 4 eyeshadow colors, and it says it retails for $60. Let me see how you work this. See, I don't even know how this works, you guys. I have never bought a magnetic eyeshadow palette before. Do you keep this or you throw it away? I'm gonna probably keep it because this is how it was pictured on the website, is that they just kind of hang out on there and they are magnetic. So when you run out, you can like replace them or maybe buy new colors. I'm not sure. I don't know. What is the hype with the magnetic eyeshadow pans? Please let me know. Tell me in the comments what you think. I do really like this brownish metallic color, and I am feeling the vibe of this mauve purple. So hit or miss. I'm not sure. I don't know if I like this palette or not. I was expecting I would not like it, but looking at the colors now, I think they're really pretty, and they're not too bright and they're not too bold, and they're probably something I would use often. But oh, I just messed one up trying to put this dang thing back together. I don't know. It's too technical for me for an eyeshadow palette. I just messed one up trying to put that thing back on there. Okay. All right, the ITTSÉ eyeshadow palette. I don't know, you guys. Build your own palette, magnetic. It's eco-friendly, okay. Vegan leather, which means it's fake, okay. The colors are called Sure Shot, After Hours, Bare Canvas, and Velveteen. Okay. That's about it. I don't know what else to say about this palette. So I'm going to move on. I'm going to have to set it gently somewhere else and work on that when I'm not so on film because I might mess it up again. I already messed it up and it's brand new. Ooh, that bugs me. All right, so this is a Glam Bag Plus. So you know what they sent me is a bag. Yeah, but it's in the very bottom of the box. So that was my last thing to show you guys was the bag. And it's metallic too. I'm assuming it's vegan leather, which means it's not real leather, you guys. It's probably plastic. The inside of the bag is blue, kind of a royal blue shade. The zipper's on the front, and I don't know how I feel about that, but it does look high quality. All this stuff is not going to fit in here, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I might just throw it in my purse to carry in all my little makeup things to keep them separated and organized from all my other stuff, or I might just give it away. I'm not sure yet, but okay, I kind of like the bag. I really like the skincare. I absolutely love the brushes. I'm on the edge about the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. I know this is a really great company. I've heard a lot of reviews about it, so I'm going to have to try that out. But other than that, yeah, I don't know what to say about the box. I'm going to probably keep this subscription so that I can do more reviews and kind of get a better idea of the Glam Bag Plus. But this month, I would give it 4 out of 5 stars. I'm overall very happy. I love that they gave me an expensive A product and another awesome skincare serum. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you like the box, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. You guys have a great holiday season, and I'll catch you later. Bye.